Hello, this is Mr. Holman, here today to show you how to do prime factorization by using a method known as successive prime division. So, let's start off with a number. Let's say 84. And they might be asking us to do the prime factorization for 84, or they might ask us to just list the prime factors, or maybe give some other multiples of 84. And we can do all of this with successive prime division. It starts off with a vertical line to the left of 84, and then a horizontal line. Alright? One of the most important things to remember when you're doing successive prime division is that this word here is involved, prime. So, the numbers we will be looking at to help us solve our problem today are all going to be prime numbers. And I'm going to start you off by looking at just the first 4 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, and 7. Those are the first 4 prime numbers. So looking at those prime numbers, we're thinking to ourselves, which one of those fits evenly into 84? If you notice that the 4 there is in the ones place, and it's even, so that means that automatically 2 will go into it evenly. So let's go ahead and use 2. Now, 84 divided by 2 might be a problem you can do in your head, but it might be a problem you need to do some extra side work for. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and show the side work. 84 divided by 2. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Bring down a 4. 2 goes into 4 twice. And 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So with no remainder there, we know that 42 times 2 equals 84. So, therefore, 84 divided by 2 equals 42. So now we have 42 to look at, and our prime numbers again. So which one of those prime numbers will fit evenly into 42? Well, I could pick 2 of them that I see. How about you? 2 and 7. Yeah, sure. I'm going to go ahead and go with 2 for now. Stick with 2. But if you use 7, that's fine. You'll get the same result in the end. So, 42 divided by 2 now. I'm going to do this one mentally. So 2 goes into 4 twice, and it goes into 2 once. So, there you have it, 21. Now I'm looking at my primes again and trying to decide which prime number goes into 21. I know that 21 has a bond, a relationship with 3 and 7. So I could use either one. I'm going to go with 7 this time. Knowing my facts, I know that 21 divided by 7 is 3. So now I have 3 to look at. Which one of my prime factors will fit into 3 evenly. And I know by now you probably see it's quite obvious that it's 3. So, in conclusion, you do your final division problem here, 3 divided by 3, which of course we all know is 1. And the best thing about successive prime division is when you get 1, you know you're done. So now, all you have to do is use this tool for what you need. If your tasks ask you to determine whether 84 is prime or composite, well, obviously you could see here that it is indeed composite because it's composed of many different factors. Also, if you're tasked with doing prime factorization, here we have found all our prime factors for 84. And if you would like to show that as an expression, you would have 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. And if you'd like to take that to the next level, 2 squared times 3 times 7. And that is how you determine the prime factorization of 84 using successive prime division.